Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are doing good. This is Tejaswini and welcome to my garden. Well, बहुत दिनों पहले I had told that I would give some tips about gardening or something वैसे कुछ बोला था मैंने तो here it is. Without much further ado, let's get started. Okay, let me start with one of my favorites, a rose plant. This one here is a button rose. As you can see, the soil is dried out, which should not be the case. Most flowering plants require sufficient amount of water, and this is summer, so we should make sure that water has been provided. And in the same pot, we have got another plant, that is firecracker plants. Here in Karnataka, it's generally called Kanakambari or Abali. We have got too many of these. No, we haven't planted these. The seeds splutter and gradually grow. That is the reason it's called firecracker. All it requires is some amount of water, soil, and space. Yeah. It doesn't require much things for planting anyway. And the next one here we have is ajwain leaves. We use it sometimes for cooking, and no, it won't grow with ajwain seeds, but it grows from the stem of this. Moving on to the jugaad of pots, we sometimes reuse the containers and use them as pots, as you can see here. It's all about reusing stuff from home and making it work. Our goal is to plant, and all it requires is little space. And plants grow as good as they would in any other plant, so it just works fine for us. This one here is a green leafy vegetable. I don't know what it's called in English or in Hindi, but here we call it as bai basari. It grows real wild and quick and requires lots of water. It can grow either with seeds and even with the stem. And as you can see, this one is growing in a sack. And again, even in this, the plants grow real well, so it doesn't require pot only. You can work it in any other way. The next jugaad we have here is a plastic bucket. This one is broken though, but we can reuse it anyway. The only thing we have to be very careful in this one is that while watering the plant, because sometimes it can leak through this thing. So yeah, that is the only thing we need to reassure that the thing that doesn't happen. That's all. And the next one we here have is again a container. The one that is growing here is a chrysanthemum, which we here call it as sevantagi or shavantagi. And well, here in this also it grows real fine and nice. I hope the video is helpful. The only reason I had in mind while making this video was, let's not count on ऐसे वाले pots चाहिए, because our garden is not a fancy or good looking. It's very homely and a simple one. And I think we must all aim to just plant instead of looking out for fancy things. That's about it. And well, you're conscious about the plastic thing, and plastics can harm the plants, then I read about it and I got to know that it's not very harmful for the plants. They can survive even in the plastic bottles, plastic buckets, plastic containers, so you don't have to worry about it. And that's all. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And or else, if you want me to make some more videos on gardening, then let me know in the comment section below, and दूसरों के साथ शेयर भी कर लो यार, सहायता हो जाएगी आपको भी, मेरे को भी, सबको with that being said, I'm gonna go. That's all guys, that's all for today. And I have planned on coming up 2 videos every week. The first month went in making videos every alternative days, and now the things have become a bit tedious for me because I have got some college work. College वाले चुप थोड़ी होने वाले. They are like, ये notes complete किया, वो notes complete किया. and also I'm quite busy in that. And the second month went in trying to find my balance. Now it's the third month. I'm trying to come up at least two videos. One will be of something informative kind. The second one will be of fun videos. I'm not sure the days, but वीक में दो वीडियो आ जाएंगे तो या इफ़ यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड देन सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार, फ्री है तो क्यों इतना ये कर रहे हो. See you on the next video. Until then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, eat healthy, and that's all. That's all.